For centuries, people have been wearing Rudraksh. They have been worn for various reasons and benefits as they are very supportive in maintaining physical and mental balance. For a spiritual seeker, it supports to enhance one's spiritual growth. Sadhguru is also offering free Rudraksh in form of Rudraksha Diksha, in which you get energized Rudraksh, which is consecrated in presence of dhyanlinga. In the Rudraksha Diksha packet, you also get other things which has spiritual significance. However, over the years, people have developed certain misunderstandings as well as misbeliefs about the Rudraksh. So it is time to separate facts from friction. In this video, we will address some common myths about the Rudraksh and the truth behind it. Myth: only ascetics or sannyasis who renounced family life can wear Rudraksh. The truth is, Rudraksh that are made available through Rudraksha Diksha can be worn by anyone irrespective of age, gender, physical condition, geographical or religious background. People from all walks of life, belonging to all age groups, from any geographical or religious background can wear the Rudraksh. Wearing Rudraksh is very supportive in maintaining physical and mental balance. Myth: women shouldn't wear Rudraksh, especially during menstruation cycles. This is a common myth that women cannot wear Rudraksh. But the truth is, women can wear Rudraksh, and Rudraksh can be worn by women at all the times, even during their monthly cycles. Myth: Rudraksh shouldn't be worn while sleeping. The truth is, Rudraksh can be worn all the times, including travel or sleep. Rudraksh acts as a support for the system and helps maintain physical and mental balance. And Rudraksh should be worn all the times. Myth: Rudraksh can be styled using any metal or material. The truth is, Rudraksh can be strung using either cotton or silk thread. Copper, silver or gold is also fine. Wearing Rudraksh with a copper chain can create a certain energy and assist in meditation. Rudraksh should not come in contact with any other metal, as it may cause Rudraksh to crack. A cracked Rudraksh has a deflective energy and must not be worn. Myth: married people shouldn't wear Rudraksh. The truth is, married people can wear Rudraksh and they can wear it all the times. Myth: Rudraksh can be exchanged between family and friends. The truth is, Rudraksh adapts to the wearer. Hence, Rudraksh shouldn't be shared with anyone or touched by anyone else. Since Rudraksh has a certain vibration, it is not conducive to be used by multiple people. Once you start wearing a Rudraksh, it creates your own cocoon of energy around you. So you shouldn't share your Rudraksh with anyone else. So wearing a Rudraksh has many benefits for health and mental well-being, It also protects one from negative energies, cleanses aura, and makes you available to grace. So forget all myths that you have been hearing since ages and start wearing Rudraksh. Namaskar.